This two-wheeled machine changed the world and probably stole your childhood. Let's ride through 200 years of pedal-powered history. Meet the OG bike, the 1817 Drazen. No pedals, no brakes, just pure glute power. Rich dudes called it the dandy horse until face planting became a national sport. Enter the 1860s Boneshaker. Metal wheels, ouch. Then the sky-high penny farthing. Fun fact, falling from 5 feet in a top hat? Not fun. 1885 changed everything. Chains, gears, and equal-sized wheels. Now everyone could ride, including women who ditched corsets for freedom. Bikes equal sign first feminists. World War I armies raced on bikes. Then the 70s brought bicycle motocross madness chaos. Extraterrestrial made us cry over handlebars. And Lance Armstrong. Today, bikes are eco-warriors, gyms on wheels, and still the coolest way to eat pavement. Over 1 billion exist. Take that, cars. Drop your worst crash story below and subscribe for more wheelie good history.